Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go over the main basics how to wholesale real estate on the market. This is very important lesson a lot of people want to get into, especially this year. So let's break down the information that was summarized by Bart AI, the best and most valid info out there. Wholesaling real estate in a nutshell. First of all guys, you need to find a motivated seller with a discounted property. For example, if the market value of the house is 500,000 and he is selling the house or looking to sell the house at 380 or 400,000, well, there is an opportunity for you to potentially make some money. So you have to find somebody who has this property and who is motivated to sell. The second step over here is to secure the property under contract. You need to go to the seller and you need to negotiate the price below market value with the seller. So if the price is already under market value, it might be harder for you to renegotiate even lower, but it's worth trying. The third step is to find a cash buyer willing to pay more. Cash buyers are willing to pay more simply because they're not obligated to pay interest. They don't have to take loan. So for them, paying more than the actual price that was listed is simply a bidding war, because they're gonna outbid anyone who will be actually trying to get a loan for this property. The fourth step is assign the contract or double close. There's two options to actually do that. So you can sell the contract for a fee, assignment fee, right? And you don't get involved in any of it. Or you can simply buy and resell, known as the double close. Double close, of course, requires you to put a down payment, so it's a little more complicated and advanced. The key points over here that you should always remember when you think about wholesaling real estate or when you try to get yourself successful in this business is that the wholesalers don't use their own money to buy the property, okay? The second one is that the profit comes from the difference between the contract price and the final price. And the last but not least, this is a real hustle, guys. You need to have a lot of different skills, okay? You need to be jack of all trades. You need to know marketing skills. You need to know how to promote the property, how to find the property, how to negotiate prices, and how to act fast, okay? You need to know all that, and everything should be very speedy executed. Because once when you get real estate under contract, you have a certain time frame in which you need to find a buyer. And remember, we're talking about cash buyers. This is a simplified overview, guys. You should always consider to speak with professionals, but just to get an idea and to wrap your head around what is it and how it actually works. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.